Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
and thank good morning. I am getting ready to do my hair. In my previous video and yesterday, I did a Bantu Knotout. Now I am just going to see what my hair is going to look like on the second day. I know it dropped some before I even went to bed last night. I'm going to try not to mist it with any water because I want whatever I have to stay. And I'm trying to use less water until I can get my hair retightened, or until I can retighten my own hair. That's what I'm really saying. I'm trying to figure out, okay, which way should this go? It went this way, I think. Nope, it went this way yesterday. It's still hanging in there with me. I still like it. That is my second day Bantu Knotout. I am a sister who loves her locks. I love my faith, I love my family, I love my friends, and my faith is in God because He has never let me down. Have a wonderful day, because I will have a wonderful day. Join me.